Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from MyDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And I believe this is day 12. Now first off, I want to talk about why I believe that the $25 all-in-one business is the best business to promote in 2022, right? So the biggest thing that they offer is everything set up. And once you get an affiliate sale, you get 80% of the income, and not only 80% commissions, you get 80% recurring commissions. Now a lot of businesses, what they like to do is give you like 80% initial sale and then give you like 20 or 30% recurring, so they can keep a lot of the extractive money. But you get 80% commissions from the jump, and you stay at 80% commissions every single month. That means you only need a few people in the system, and you can build up a really solid income. All right, guys. So that's why I prefer that. But anyway, let's check our sales here. So as you can see, let's refresh this page here and see what's going on. I did get a sale. All right, I actually got two sales right here. It's just one is very different from the other. One bought the $25 product, and the other one entered into a $1 trial for a $100 product. Basically, if they stay in the system, the one with the $100, the $1 trial, if they stay in the system, I will make $100 every single month from them from now on. So you see how easy it is to build income with this system. All right, guys. And we only using one account, my smallest account, so I can emulate what it would be like to do this as as I first open up an account. All right, guys. Let's keep it moving here. So we're gonna select. Yeah, we're gonna go with 100 leads and go with another one first week. Okay, good. Okay. And if I sit there and I can add 52. Let's pick 4. Pick 300. Put a bigger number. That's just the way I feel. Okay. That's about it. Pretty much the same thing. Let's check, make sure this link the same. It is. Gunspeech.com sales. Alright, guys. That's the email there. It's the email that I wrote myself. Most of the emails are emails I wrote myself. It only take a second to write. And basically kind of say the similar stuff from my other email. And it usually get me some. So we're going to keep posting that. Let's make sure the link works. And it does work. Okay, guys. That's all there is to it. We're going to hit send email. Oh, and also make sure to check out Perfect Timing, because Perfect Timing it sends the email around the time that people like to check their emails. So for example, I send an email and somebody likes to check their emails around 8 o'clock, they'll get the email around 8 o'clock. Therefore, it'll end up on top of their list and they're more likely to check and see what's going on. Similar to somebody opening the email around a different time. They'll get a different time. It depends on the person that you sending the email to. All right, guys. That's all there is to it, guys. The links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification button to catch some more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.